Skitstorm presents How to Win in Court. Step 1. Representing yourself in the courtroom is always a bad idea, so resist the temptation to hire yourself, no matter how cheap you are.
Wow, your ad was right! You're really cheap! Also, I like your voice because it's very honest sounding, and I think the court will dig that. Aw, thanks, man!
Step 2. Make sure you fully understand the charges against you.
Roger Roxoff, you are hereby charged with 2 counts of perverting a course of justice, 3 counts of unjust perversion of men courses, and 118 counts of false accounting of just causes! You know who you remind me of? Tom Selleck.
Step 3. Do not exaggerate your stories. Be lucid and honest about the facts to avoid contradictions that might hurt your defense later on.
Your Honor, I was making love that night to 14 different women. May I remind you, Mr. Roxoff, it is an offense to lie in court. It is? But he told me it was okay. Your Honor, my client does not know what he's talking about. What? Don't contradict me, you asshole! Order! Will the defendant please refrain from arguing amongst himself?
Step 4. End on a bold closing statement. This is your big chance to have the final word, so speak honestly and passionately.
Any closing words, Mr. Roxoff? Oh, yes. Justice for all. That's what they say. It's what we all believe. Because, in the words of the great Morgan Freeman, there is a mysterious ritual, and it goes back thousands of years, and no living creature has survived it except the penguin. 'Cause they have wings, but they can't fly. Where is this going, Mr. Roxoff? Well, it turns out the penguins go through some real hardships when raising their young. Oh, and I didn't do all that stuff I did.
Step 5. And finally, they say you can't put a price on freedom, but it turns out it's about 10 grand.
Has the jury reached their verdict?
We have, Your Honor! We find the defendant! Guilty!
My baby's going to jail!
But my bribe!
Double guilty!
You idiot! How much of my bribe money did you actually give to them? I swear! Almost all of it. Your Honor, I will be representing the defendant from now on. What? Get out of here! Don't listen to him, Your Honor. He looks crazy! I'd like to call my first witness. Can I borrow your phone? Order! Order! There are no further witnesses because the case is closed. Your Honor, I'd like to play the race card. Hey, get your own goddamn client. He's my goddamn client! Yeah, that's the case, numbnuts! It's my turn now! There are no turns! No, I lost the case by myself, fair and square. So you can all go f*** yourselves! Right, that's it! Get off my case! It's me! Screw you, Baldy! Let go of my hair! You beady-eyed freak! My underpants! Order! Order! I will not be made to look a fool in my own courtroom!